Well, what's up, guys?
Welcome back.
I am today fishing new waters.
This place is called Corinth Lake.
It's tucked away off of 75 North. I can literally see the highway off the lake. It's pretty neat. Gonna meet up with Seth the Genius here in a little bit. We'll put this head strap on, get on the yak, see if there are any bass out here at Corinth Lake. Oh, it's a fish. Fish on, baby. About time, bro. All right, first Corinth Lake bass here. Just putting that worm really slow. Not a big guy at all, but well, he was ready to go. Okay, so I did just catch one more on the Mondo worm, but I don't believe I was recording it. Hopefully I was, but it was a dank, so I'm not really too worried about it. But the only thing that's produced so far is the Mondo worm, just really slow, letting him hit it and then letting him eat it. I let him sit there and chew on it for a while. Hey, fish on. Whew, about time, man. Oh, all right, guys, it's been a minute, but highway is literally right behind me, and had the best bass of my best bass of the day here. So 3, and on the Mondo worm. They're liking it out here. Not bad, little guy. Get you some. Decent little largemouth. There he is. Woo! I put the Sakoshi bug on a jig. I seen some movement over here and I just threw at it. Not bad, little largemouth, y'all. About the same size. I don't know where the bigger ones are here.
Yeah, I do. I got a fish.
How about you? Oh, that's a decent one, man.
Hang on, man. Hang on.
That's epic, man. I hope I'm recording right now. He's gonna jump up. Get you some. So I learned something kind of interesting about this. This is actually, you can feel it. This is not natural. It's not supposed to be here. It's, people let their goldfish go or something, and they just empty their tanks out in the lakes and stuff. And that stuff's really, that's like invasive vegetation. So I am going to rinse my kayak off before I go into anywhere else.
Alright, what's up guys? Not my most fire day fishing, I know, but still had a fun time with Seth the Genius. Seth, thanks for telling me about Corinth Lake, man. Had never heard of it, had no idea about it. It's just like if you're going toward Ohio from, let's say Lexington, it's on 75 north to the right. Blink, you'd miss it, but you look over and there's a guardrail, and then you see like a little, I mean, you only see a section of the lake. So, I mean, it about looks like a pond with a bunch of lily pads on one side. And you're like, huh, must be somebody's pond. No, it's a big lake. It goes on, it goes out through there. So, Corinth Lake, you may have drove by it and not even realized it if you've been to Ohio, right beside 75 North. Crazy. Started out there wanting to throw some moving baits, and all that grass, I got excited, started throwing that chatterbait around, and threw a little bit of top water, threw a crankbait. Nothing really moving was successful. Switched to the Mondo worm, and not shortly thereafter started catching some fish. Should have started out there, but these dog days of summer, man, you never know. Alex, what you got, man? Tell you what I got. This box is filled to the top. Whenever I hit 100 subs, I'm only like 20 away. I'm gonna give this bad boy away. It's completely full now. Help me out, hit that sub button if you're not already subbed, and I'll be able to give this bad boy away. Here in the next few days or so, I'll make a video on about everything I put in this, and what you'll have to do to enter. You'll just have to be subbed and comment on that video, and then I'll do the drawing once I hit 100 subs. So I will be back to Corinth Lake, maybe, if not once more this summer. I'll definitely be there again in the fall, because I know there's good fish there. I've seen on Fish Brain the bass that have been brought out of there. So, and even my buddy Seth, he'd been there before, and he'd caught about a 2.5 pound bass. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back and get some of them bigger ones out there next time. Wrong angling, like, comment, subscribe, get on the water, and get you some.